Good morning, everybody. My name is Leonie Reins. I'm a postdoc at KU Leuven in Belgium, and I just finished my PhD in the area of European energy and environmental law. I would have liked to meet all of you in person at the Visa Global Colloquium of Early Career Environmental Law Experts. However, my funding didn't get through, so it will have to wait for next time. I was asked to answer, just as of all of you, 3 questions, and here are the answers. The first question was, what is the main environmental problem or challenge? My research interests are very much in the area of the intersection of energy and environmental law, mostly on a European level, but however, I think challenges are usually the same in all levels. So I think from my research angle, a very important problem or challenge is how to balance energy supply security on the one hand and environmental protection on the other. I guess this is very important, even if with the Paris Agreement states agreed to move towards renewable and just more sustainable energy. However, even if we are on the way away from fossil fuels, also renewable energy are considered with environmental problems. We all know that wind power can have very negative impacts on the onshore land use and offshore in regards to mammals and other animals. And biomass is very much in challenge with food security problems, and there's, at least in the European Union, lots of opposition to all the also renewable energy projects. So I think the challenge is how to balance all this policy and legal goals. It is the problem is how to balance the right approach and what is the best approach. How much wants the state intervene? How much do we leave it up to the market? And how much are private actors in the duty of acting? This was the reply to the first question. The second question is, what is the key legal issue? I guess from my research area, the key legal issue, how to promote the renewable energy and more clean forms of energy by legal means. This is amongst others feed-in tariffs, how are they best designed, state aid and other subsidies, how can they be allocated to the different forms of renewable energy, and how can these be made very effective to also promote environmental protection. Another key legal challenge is how to engage the civil society in decision making, and how do the individual promote from renewable energy projects so that they are more in favor of these projects. I guess more concretely, are there alternatives available to renewable energy projects, and where they are there, and how is the civil society involved in the environmental impact assessment procedure? In short, it's bringing the Aarhus principles to life. The third question you asked me to answer is, looking into the future, what are the legal mechanisms and or areas of reform necessary to address these issues, and what will need to be considered in addition to legal frameworks? I guess I already hinted at this in answering the previous questions. An area of reform are, in my opinion, the environmental impact assessments, and how the decision-making procedures are included in the different jurisdictions, and also how are transboundary environmental impacts addressed, and how is the procedure so that all stakeholders are integrated and can put input into the decision-making. The implementation of the Aarhus principle in all the jurisdictions, and especially as that local communities are involved. And I think in addition, we also need more economic incentives for renewable energy and environmental protection for individuals, and we need to create more mechanisms to promote these, such as decentralized energy systems. This is from my part. I hope you agree with some of these points. If you don't, it's all okay. I would very much like to get into discussions of this and see you later at the PowerPoint presentation in a more live version. Thank you very much.